If you hate word problem, this one will change your mind. You have 25 seconds to answer each question. Let's see how fast your brain really is solve this word problem. Good luck.
A number doubled and increased by 9 becomes 41. Find the number. Time up. The sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 72. What is the middle number? Time up. A bicycle rent is 150 plus 30 per hour. Total bill is 330. How many hours? Time up. A book and a pen cost 85 together. The book costs 55 more. What is the pen price? Time up. The area of a triangle is 60 and base is 12. Find the height. Time up. A box has 3 times more red balls than blue balls. Total is 48. Blue balls. Time up. A train travels 240 kilometers in 3 hours. Time needed to travel 400 kilometers. Time up. A number divided by 5 and then increased by 3 becomes 15. Find the number. Time up. A shirt has 20% discount on 1,500. What is the final price? Time up. Simple interest on 5,000 at 8% for 3 years. Time up. A father is 4 times older than his son. Sum of ages is 50. Son's age. Time up. A man buys 5 pens for 150. Price of 1 pen? Time up. A tank fills 1/4 in 6 minutes. Total time to fill? Time up. A car reduces speed by 20 km per hour and becomes 1 hr late. Actual speed is 80. New speed. Time up. A rope of 27 m is cut into 3 equal parts. Length of each part? Time up. 2 shirts cost 900. Cost of 1 shirt? Time up. A student scores 60, 70, 80. What is the average? Time up. A number increased by 30% becomes 65. What is original number? Time up. A man saves 20% of 50,000. Savings. Time up. A book has 240 pages and he reads 30 per day. Days needed. Time up.
Time's up. How many questions did you get right? Please let us know by like and commenting. Thanks.